Guys, do you know you can actually turn any image or any picture into a video? Yes, you heard me. You can actually turn any image or picture into a video, just like this one you are seeing on your screen. Is this not nice? Yes. You can turn any image or picture into a video. In fact, I'm repeating it over and over because I'm so excited to teach you. Okay. So are you into faceless channel, or you're about starting a YouTube channel and you want to go into faceless YouTube channel? This video is actually for you, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can turn that image, get your clips, your pictures, okay, and turn them into a video that you can actually use for your faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so let me not bore you. Let's just go straight into the point. On this channel, you know me now. My name is Nonye and this is Nonye Tutor Zone. Okay, I don't want to bore you with much introduction. Let's just go straight into the video. Okay, so first thing first, you need to have the image or the picture you want to turn into video. Okay, so once you have the image already in your gallery that you want to turn into video, so the next thing you need to do, you need to go to Play Store and download this app. Okay, the name of the app is Hilo AI. Okay, just go ahead and download it from Play Store. Okay, so once you download it, just click on the app. Okay, it should bring you to this place. Okay, so once it brings you to this place, for the first time, if you're just starting for the first time, it will ask you to register. Okay, to log in. Okay, just go ahead, register with your Google or with any email of your choice. Okay, so once you have done that, it will bring you to this very place. Okay, so you can see this place, they say image to video. Here is text to video, while here is image generation. So, but for today's tutorial, we are going for the image to video. Okay, so we are going to click on image to video. So it will bring us to this place. It will ask you to upload the image. Okay, so you need to upload the picture or the image you want to turn into video. So I'm going to click on it and it will take you to your album and go ahead and import the image you want to work with. Okay, so let's allow it to upload. Okay, at this point it has uploaded. So you come over here, you type what you want the image to do. Okay, so whatever you want the image to do is what you're going to type. Okay, let's say I want this person inside this water to be coming out of the water. Okay, so I'll just type coming out of, or better still, stepping out of the water, stepping out of the water. Okay, let's say this is what I want it to do. Okay, so once I do this, the next thing you see here you can see 30. Okay, just go ahead and click on that 30. It will create. Okay, so we allow the video to create, so it's generating. So we give it time. It takes a little bit time, so give it time to do its job. At this point, it has generated. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so just watch the video. Okay, is this not beautiful? This is how you can actually turn that image or picture into a video. It's just so simple. Okay, so you can turn that image or picture into a video for your faceless channel. So we're going to be trying another one. It will go from this to this. Is this not beautiful? So let's just get started. At this point, if you are still watching, that means you are gaining value. Okay, so just go ahead, click on the subscribe button. Let me wait for you to do so. Thank you as you do so. Okay. So go ahead and click on image to video. Once you click on it, it brings you to the next place. Okay, go ahead, click on
upload image, okay? So it will take you to your gallery or your album where you can choose the particular image or picture. So once you choose the image or picture, okay, the next thing you need to do is to allow it to upload. Give it time, it will upload. Then once it uploads, so just type in what you want the image to do. So I'm going to be typing both of them kissing. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be typing. That's what I want the image to do. I want the both of them in the picture to kiss. Okay, so after that, click on the generate. Okay, you can see that place they wrote 30. Just go ahead, click on it, and it's going to generate your video. Okay, you just give it a little bit time to do its job, and yes, this is your video. Okay, is this not nice? This is so beautiful, guys. This is how you can actually create or change any image or picture into a video for your faceless channel.
So at this point, we have come to the end of this video. Okay, so if you gain value, yes, if you want to be seeing more content from me, you need to what? Subscribe. Okay, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and also say something in the comment section, okay, so that YouTube will recommend my video to more people. Okay, help me reach 1,000 subscribers, guys. Okay, just go ahead, subscribe. Okay, share my videos. Okay, thank you. As you do so, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you. Bye.